Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this travel website using React.js. Uh, Now let's go to the website. Now we are in the navbar section. You can see the hover effect. Then we'll go to the next section, that is popular destinations, Bhadrachalam, Telangana. You can see how photos are aligned. Then the recent trips. You can see the hover effect on the images and the box shadow effect. Then we have the footer with social media icons. You can see the hover effect. Then we'll go to the about section. This is the about section, our mission and our vision. Then service section. You can see the recent trips, pouring effect, and box shadow effect around the trips. Then contact form. You can see the contact form, name, email, subject, and message. Then send button. You can see the hover effect. This home section. This entire website is responsive. So let's view it in the mobile version also. This is the desktop version. We have seen it before. Now let's go to the mobile version. You can see the navbar, menu bar, how smooth effect, transition effect is there. Service section. You can see it can go even smaller in size. So it is very responsive to small devices too. Desktop. A very smooth transition. This entire website is made using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.